My lord. Lord, earlier there was direction for file counter debate, but no counter will file. Lord, petitioner challenge.
What is this judgment of Court of Collector Araria? Confiscation.
Annexure 6, page 35, my lord. Two cylinder, one empty and one filled, has been recovered from, in absence of the petitioner from the shop. Petitioner is the one of the cylinder petitioner is bona fide consumer, and one of the cylinder I produced, the one Sanjay Tatma was the bona fide consumer. In spite of all, very casually, land collector has confiscated the cylinder, my lord. Petitioner is owner of proprietor of simple repairing of cycle and a small cylinders, repairing for small cylinders and gas.
And what happened? What was the order passed against you?
Yes, this is the challenge impugn order, my lord. That annexure 6 as page 35.
Yes, what is it? What is the order?
Yes, I can read, my lord. By order dated 16/12/2015 है. इस बात की कार्रवाई
निष्कर्षों के आधार पर विपक्षी द्वारा दाखिल कारण परीक्षा अस्वीकृत किया जाता है.
Last 5, in paragraph 5, he has given observation that निष्कर्ष में पहुंचता हूं कि विपक्ष द्वारा अनुवर्ती के अनुदानित गैस का घरेलू गैस का अवैध तरीका का भंडारण करे. मीन सिंपली दो सिलेंडर है, one cylinder belong to petitioner, one cylinder belong to one Sanjay Tatma. I have produced the consumer record before the collector.
So they have said that you have misused that license given to you for using.
No, I have not licensing, my lord. I am the only user of the consumer of the gas, my lord. I am not licensing. There is allegation putting FIR.
किसी अनुज्ञप्ति के अनुदानित घरेलू गैस का अवैध तरीका से भंडारण एवं का कार्य किया जाता था.
It was the allegation that I have.
अपील नहीं लाई करती क्या?
अपील लाई करता है.
आपने अपील फाइल करी नहीं?
It is
appealable order. It is. And we are not going to decide cases on merits in factual aspects. This is not a forum of appeal. You say how it is illegal. It is without jurisdiction.
My lord.
How?
I am not licensing, my lord. First.
So the action could not be taken by the concerned officer, or not?
Against the private person, my lord, who is the bona fide consumer of
these gas cylinders were seized from your place.
My lord, I am the bona fide consumer of the gas cylinder.
So if you are a bona fide consumer of the gas cylinder for domestic use and you use it for the purpose of shop.
No, I am not using.
No, this is what the finding is. Now here you can't be asking, no, sir, I was not using it. And we can't be giving a finding because we are not sitting in appeal. Please understand this jurisdiction.
There is allegation.
We can only look into whether the order has been passed without jurisdiction.
Yes.
If you are able to satisfy this court that this order has been passed without jurisdiction, or there is a gross perversity, we will definitely interfere. Please tell us.
Initially, my lord, and one FIR has been issued, my lord,
against you.
Against me. In absence of petitioner, shop of the petitioner has been raided by the that annexure, and one is the FIR, my lord. Admittedly, petitioner was not present. Then, without conscious possession has been said to be one cylinder empty kept in my shop, and one filled cylinder was kept by the shop, my lord. And some small cylinder and some article has said to be recovered. I am the proprietor.
So what is the presumption to be drawn? How did you explain those small cylinders?
Yes.
These cylinders are, there is no required to license, my lord. They are openly sold and repairing, my lord.
But-
My case is, my lord, that their cylinders are, I am selling for the small use, my lord, and I am repairing, my lord. I am the repairing. My shop is for the repairing for the cycle always as well.
It is a
small-
cycle shop.
Cycle
repairing shop.
repairing shop, not cycle
Now,
shop.
in cycle repairing shop, where is the occasion of cylinders?
I have my case is मतलब a small repairing for the small cylinder चूल्हा वगैरह all
सिलेंडर थोड़ी रिपेयर होते हैं,
small
या तो
cylinder
रिफिल
है,
होते हैं
2 kg,
या फिर बेचे जाते हैं।
5 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg.
You will have to call spade a spade, mister.
Yes, my lord.
That spade is there.
This is the case, my lord.
So this is not the case.
Very poor person,
Now,
lord.
these poor
It
persons
is not
only
the
do,
case, my lord.
rich persons don't do it. How can you expect a person who is rich to be doing business of refilling of cylinders? But that doesn't give him a license
It is
because
not
he's
found.
poor,
It is not found.
that he will do something illegal.
In FIR, it is not found. I found the refilling, or it is.
All right, so what is the
It is
punishment
not the
awarded?
case that
What is the
any cylinder has been refilled and
What is
filled by the.
what is the punishment awarded to you?
No, I have not instruction till my lord about the criminal case, my lord.
See, but in this case, what is your grievance?
Release my cylinder which is a
All right.
bona fide consumer. I have produced the consumer.
All right,
court, my
anything
lord.
else? Anything else?
I purchased a small cylinder. I have purchased, my lord. So my
Purchased a small cylinder.
and
You purchased two regular cylinders.
one belong to petitioner, my lord. One
Had you
belong-
purchased another one also?
No, one belong to, I produced the consumer certificate, my lord. Just one belong to, my lord, one Sanjay Tatma, I produced the email. I produced before the collector also, my lord. That has been discussed by the collector.
No.
Discussed, my lord.
So that means the collector has passed an order after discussing everything. There has been a proper
Without
application of mind.
considering.
Now, once you say that he has discussed everything, that means there has been a proper application of mind. Nothing further is required.
Vote without, my lord,
अब आप खुद ही
consideration.
तो कह रहे हैं कि इन्होंने दिमाग भी लगाया
I
है,
have-
एप्लीकेशन ऑफ माइंड भी है, पावर है ही, अपील आपने फाइल नहीं करी।
लीजिए।
Malicious case upon basis of malicious case, my lord.
Malicious? Why should the collector have any malice against you?
Yeah. He has
कोई सिविल सूट दायर किया हुआ है कि आपने इस कलेक्टर के खिलाफ?
no.
Or against the concerned inspector? How is it malicious?
Lord, madam,
The malice originates from a previous bias, right?
Lord petitioner is.
Some previous prejudice, some previous bias.
Lord, it is obligation of the collector, Lord, one petitioner has the bona fide consumer and the right to possess the cylinder. He has to clarify that it is the material appears, Lord, that I have not using that cylinder for home purpose. I am selling it. It is that only that ground. That there is no material finding, my lord. Simply he had said it is allegation that.
ये आपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक तराजू किस लिए रख रखा है? और ये रिफिलिंग मशीन भी है आपके पास?
मशीन नहीं होगी, सीलिंग वो पुराना है।
Come to page 37.
वही एक
सीलिंग नहीं रहता वो।
हाँ, वो वही है ना, that is the instrument by which the refilling is done.
Only one cylinder is.
Do you have a
one-
system of giving license for this purpose also?
No.
Do you have a process of giving license for this purpose?
No. LPG gas distributor से हम लोग NC allot करते हैं सर. Only, and he.
You are doing something which is hazardous.
Yes, sir.
Not only doing a business, but you were doing a hazardous business
Yes, sir.
illegally.
Nowadays,
It is
Lord,
good that they have not taken
my
action
friend has
against you.
no knowledge. Nowadays, Lord, there
It is
was
good that they have not taken.
there is license for a small cylinder too, my Lord.
Small cylinder too, but it is license is given to the gas distributors,
They are they are
not cycle repairing
अरे
center.
भाई आप अगर इस तरह से करने लगो तो you will be causing danger to human life in that entire area.
Yes,
यही तो blast होते हैं.
yes, बिल्कुल ये
junction sir.
पता लगा कि blast तो यहाँ हुआ
हाँ.
और कह दिया कि साहब नक्सलाइट blast हुआ.
काफी न्यूज आइटम आता है जो कि ब्लास्ट
और
होता
ये
है.
small
You
one-
have acted not
Illegal
only
repairing.
irresponsible towards the entire society.
Lord,
You do not know.
I-
You do
I-
not have the expertise of refilling.
I pray from Lord one thing, Lord. I want to, my Lord, go so if there is provision for appeal, my Lord, I have not.
God in appeal. Sorry. देखिए,
Here,
I am amazed that the collector has not imposed any penalty on you. He has left you scot
it
free.
is a confiscation proceeding, my Lord. It is a confiscation proceeding.
Apart from that, he could have taken action also.
One criminal case is also lodged, my Lord.
देखिए,
There,
the petitioner
one thing, Lord,
was
I'm not contact with the client, my Lord. What is the result of the criminal case, my Lord? If
we
there is-
don't need to. देखिए, the petitioner
If the criminal case-
by way of this writ petition prays for quashing of the order dated 15/12/2015 passed by the district collector whereby he has confiscated certain goods from the shop of the petitioner in terms of section 6 capital A of the Essential Commodities Act. Brief facts which require to be noticed are that a raid was conducted on the shop of the petitioner on 9/8/2014 and it was found that the petitioner, who was having a shop of cycle repair, was having one empty gas cylinder of Bharat Gas Agency and one 2 kg gas, Indian gas cylinder, one gas cylinder of 14.2 kg, 4 small cylinders weighing 4 kg with pipe and regulator, one electric weighing machine and one refilling machine. Gas pipe and regulator were found in his shop, which reflected the petitioner to be involved in doing refilling of gas, refilling of small gas cylinders from the domestic gas cylinder allotted to him as a consumer. A criminal case was registered against him and the concerned cylinders and the machine, etc., were put for confiscation. The order has been passed of confiscation dated 15/12/2015, which the petitioner challenges before this court. Although there is a provision for filing of an appeal against the said order, the petitioner has chosen not to file an appeal. At this belated stage, this court does not deem it appropriate to allow the petitioner to now avail the said remedy. On merits, this court finds that the petitioner was not authorized by any of the gas agencies to do refilling of small cylinders. He was engaged in a hazardous act which would have even which would be a danger to the entire neighborhood. Para. The said aspects would of course be examined in the criminal case, leaving it open for the concerned court to examine the same. This court is satisfied that no interference is warranted in the confiscation order dated 15/12/2015. The writ petition is dismissed.